Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is sit. Here are some words related to the base word. Babysit, resit, sitter, sits, sitting, sit-ups. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. We love to sit in the park after work. My neighbors love when I babysit for them. We all had to resit the final exam. My children have a lot of fun with their sitter. The new girl always sits alone after school. They are sitting and waiting in the hallway. We do sit-ups every day during exercise. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.